Well, I have only to say my famous last words will be thank you, Mogens. Thank you for this. This was fun. It was fun knowing all of you. Goodbye. Yes, and I'm fine. I'm confident.
Okay.
It's going to be fun.
Let's do it.
We'll have fun, Yuri. Going down.
It's true, I crave you. It's true, I crave you. Into the room dripping in gold. Dripping, dripping. I walked into the room dripping in gold. Dripping, it's true, I crave you. Just stop and think before I lose faith. Into the room dripping in gold. I walked into the room dripping in gold. A wave of hands with time, so I've been told. My heart broke when I saw you kept your gaze control.
Det var simpelthen fantastisk. Hold kæft, hvor var det sjovt. Det er noget af det sjoveste, jeg har prøvet nogensinde. Og jeg tror, jeg lever. Fantastisk. Tak, Joey. Det var sgu fedt. Så prøv det.
Ja.
Og Dannebro kom ned. Thank you. That was awesome. Det var fandme fedt. Det kan anbefales.